This interview is brought to you by APB, Broadcast Asia 2017 and Ideal Systems.
So the transition to IP will take some time. We're definitely getting a lot of customers wanting to move to all IT solutions, software-based solutions, even increasingly virtualized applications. Some are going to public cloud, but most broadcasters, because of the bandwidth and high performance needs, are really looking at running their own cloud, and we think this is the key to successful IP transition. Right, this IP Interop Lab here at Broadcast Asia is just a fantastic concept, and it's very brave. Might I say they're doing this demo without a safety net. Okay, so what I have here is the system diagrams. There's about 20 different vendors who've been involved in this IP Interop Lab, and one very brave system integrator, a quick plug to Ideal Systems. So, you know, they've thrown this system together very quickly without any sort of off-site pre-staging. Other IP interoperability demonstrations that have been held at major trade shows in Europe and the USA have required the vendors to go somewhere off-site, spend several days pre-testing everything, and then only bringing to the show what is known to work. In this case, the equipment here landed on a truck here on Saturday. The guys just started putting it together, but you know what, that's real. This is a real demonstration of bringing a group of vendors together, making it all work. The guys behind the scenes are sort of smiling now. I came here first thing yesterday morning. I said, is it all working? They said, no, not yet, but we're getting there, right? And the main technical guy said to me, you know what, this is a lab, right? It's not a canned demo, it's real. And that's what I like about it. Well, I think the first thing is not to get religious about it. And what I mean is, nobody hands out a prize to say you're all IP now, right? There's no reason to get rid of SDI or other traditional technologies if they're working. You only make that change when there's a significant benefit, economic benefit, cost savings or new revenue streams, new markets, right? So it's not a religious decision to move to IP, it's a practical decision. I think the keys to success are partnership. You need to work with the partners who are going to be on that journey and are going to help you to obviously bring in the technology, but understand the change in the work practices and how that addresses the business model changes. Our consumers today, somebody as young as you, are very used to using what we would call digital native applications, right? Consumption of media anywhere, anytime, on any device. And that is what our traditional, I would say, linear television and content providers are growing into this new space. There's a lot of competition. IP is an enabling technology that helps traditional broadcasters and media companies really take the right technology approach and be relevant in the new age, the new millennium, and with new consumers.
This copyrighted video of the Broadcast IP Interop Lab may not be reproduced or redistributed in any form without the expressed written consent of EdTech International Private Limited.